Boom. Hey, what up, everybody? All right, so here we go. The idea that we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing evaluating expressions. What? Evaluating expressions. So let's start off with just basic numbers like this. Here we got two integers. We've written them on the board. Guess what you're writing down? Of these two numbers. Please do it, sir. Thank you. So let's write these down, and then I'd like you to solve it. Solve it. Go. So, yes, ma'am. First of all, tell me what this means, because I don't even know.
It means 10 divided by 2.
10 divided by 2. And what is 10 divided by 2?
5.
It is 5. That is correct. Hallelujah. All right. So, is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
Nice. So, what if I then told you that I have x over 5, and I told you that x is equal to, and I'm going to erase this, and I told you that x is equal to 30. I have x over 5, and I'm going to tell you that x is equal to 30. Talk to me. Yes?
It's 30 divided by 5.
Right, so I'm going to rewrite my expression, okay? That's crazy important. All right? So instead of x now, I got 30. I'm going to just put parentheses, that's what I'm plugging in, over 5. And now I'm going to go ahead and get my division. Yes?
6.
And it is a 6. That is correct. Okay, so is everybody okay with that? Yes? Yes? Yes?
Yes. Why would you put the parentheses?
I always put the parentheses to show where I'm going to plug this bad boy in. Okay, so I always show the parentheses to show where I'm going to plug it in. Talk to me.
Isn't it easier just write instead of the line,
The line? I'm sorry.
Like the line right there, and sometimes I confuse it with fractions line.
It is a fraction. It is a fraction.
Oh.
Fraction is technically...
Yeah. Taking it back in the day, we talked about that the regular division symbol is just implying a fraction. You got the thing on top and the thing on the bottom. You got a numerator and a denominator. And so every time you have fractions, peeps, guess what you're really doing?
Dividing.
That's right. Yes. Example. Ladies and gentlemen, if I'm looking at x squared plus, let's go, I don't know, 8. And I have the value of x is equal to -3. Let's do that. Let's do that act. And we're back. So here we go. We have x squared plus 8, and I'm plugging in x is equal to -3. Yes, ma'am?
So we do -3 to the second power.
So what I do is I go ahead and I plug in the -3 right here. Okay.
Which would make -3.
Right. Because what does this imply? -3 times 2, right? Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Take a piece of paper, just copy down what you say. Yeah. So yeah. Again.
Well, you would do -3 times -3.
Oh, so it implies that I'm doing -3 to -3 multiplying. It's this many of these guys multiplying. So -3 times a -3. And so when I have a -3 times a -3, we end up with
9.
positive 9. Because a negative times a negative equals a positive. So now I've got a positive 9. All right, and so we go ahead and we put these together. Yes, ma'am.
The answer is 17.
It is 17. That is correct. That is correct. So notice why I apply the parentheses here. By applying the parentheses here, it allows me to recognize that the exponent applies to both the 3 and the negative. And the negative. And the negative. C'est bon. Yes. All right, cool. So you guys are writing this down. We have x squared minus y squared over -3. The value of x is, could somebody say it?
-5.
-5. Value of y is?
4.
Positive 4. All right. So, according to what we've been doing, what should I do? What happens now? What happens now? One person. Why don't you guys talk to each other? Take 30 seconds. Go.
So do rewrite it, and then
How come some of you aren't talking to each other? Talk to each other. Stop being so weird about it. All right. All right. And cool. Somebody I haven't heard from yet. I've heard from you. I've heard from you. Yes, ma'am.
So x equals 5, so you do 5 to the second power, which is 25.
Ah, be careful. What kind of 5 is it?
I mean -5.
Aiyah. So I've got a -5 first of all. Squared. Let me fill in everything.
It's -25.
Just let me fill in things.
Oh, 5 to... Oh, wait, sorry. Minus y to the second power.
Which is...
16.
What,
I'm sorry.
yes, you're correct. But let's just go step by step. Because I like going step by step. Obey. All right, so what happens now? What happens? What happens? Yes.
Well, you have to do 5 times 5
Where are you getting 5 from? I don't understand.
negative 5
Oh, negative 5.
times, negative 5 times negative.
Oh, negative 5 times negative 5. So what is negative 5 times negative 5? Positive 25. Sneaky, sneaky. All right, so this becomes positive 25. So I got 25 over here. Now what's happening here? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Yes, ma'am.
It would be, so 4 squared is 4 times 4, which equals 16.
That is correct. 16. What happens now? Do I just call it 2,516? Is that what's happening? It's a subtraction. Yeah.
You subtract them and then you get 9.
Oh, I'm not even there yet, but I got negative 3 down here. And you're saying I get what? 9? Up top? All right, let's go. Up top. All right, let me get a new pen because I love it. All right, so 25 minus 16 gives me 9 over negative 3. How do I finish this problem? How do I... Yes, ma'am.
You do 9 and divide by negative 3.
Which gives me what?
Negative 3.
Ah, because a positive divided by a negative is a what?
Negative.
It's a negative. Good job. That's correct. Good job. I lost my cap. All right, so... Cool! Let's do another one, because I'm pumped now. I'm pumped. I have an eraser over here. Alright. Here we go. What time is it? Daytime. Let's go! Time for math. Here we go. Here we go. Another problem. Here we go. Calm down. Here we go. Here we go. I got a negative 3p plus q over r.
What?
That's how I roll. Huh? That's what I do.
Oh, I get
P is equal to negative 6. Q is equal to negative, that's a Q is equal to negative 2, and R, like a pirate, is equal to 2. P plus Q over 2, sneaky. That's going to be a math problem that's going to be coming up later when you're in like algebra like 1 and 2, working with quadratics, you make parabolas, parabolars. I'm just later in the future, in high school, and all that kind of stuff. Everybody good with that? We have negative 3p plus q over r. These are the values. P is equal to negative 6. Q is equal to negative 2. R is equal to positive 2. Make it happen. So for this problem here, yeah, that was the idea. I'm ready to plug in. I should not be doing this in red or green in case people can't see it. Anyway. How do I begin?
Alright, so you change the p's into negative 6, so it'd be 3 negative times negative 6, and then you change the q into negative 2, so it'd be 3 times negative 3 times negative 6 plus negative 2, and then it'd be over 2. And so
is everybody okay with that so far? You know where we're getting these numbers from? Thank you for a positive response. Yes. All right. Now what?
Also, 3 times 6 is 18, so it'd be 18 plus negative 2 over 2.
Sorry, negative times negative gives me a
Positive.
positive. Are you positive? Sorry. All right. So yes, 18.
Plus negative 2 over 2.
Adding a negative 2. What's that like?
It's basically subtracting.
It's technically subtracting 18 minus 2.
Nice. Okay. Somebody else. Guess.
And then it's 16 over 2.
Yes.
Which is 16 divided by 2, which equals 8.
8. This is my answer. Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Yes.
No? No? Yes? I lost you somewhere.
Yes.
Let me help you.
Yes.
So, ask me a question. Ask me. Yes.
Why would you do that order?
Why would I do that order?
I did the negative 6 plus negative 2 first.
Oh, well, it's the PEMDAS thing. Because before I can add or subtract, I have to multiply.
There's just parentheses around it. To
Right. When a number is next to parentheses, I multiply. Okay? Everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. Well, then, this has been fun. Ding! All right, so that's it for evaluating expressions. You guys want to say bye?
Bye! I said bye.